What's the meaning of changing the guard? Changing the guard. Changing the guard.
Changing the guard. Changing the guard. Changing the guard is a ceremonial event in which the soldiers guarding a royal palace or official residence are replaced by a new set of soldiers. The event usually involves a formal uniformed marching band and elaborate choreography as the old guard hands over responsibility to the new guard. This tradition takes place across various countries, including the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and India. The result is a symbolic representation of the transfer of power and the continuation of the traditions of the armed forces.